Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In this video we are going to discuss about a very unique topic and a very interesting topic as well. Like there are so many people who want to speak English language, and there are so many people who are speaking English language. So most of the people think that how it feels like if a person who is learning English language and he is speaking now, so how he will be feeling it, how it feels, the person who speaks English language, for him or her, how it feels, and how you can feel it. Like you are thinking, I wish I could speak like that person, I wish I could speak English language like that person. So for you, you will be thinking, one day I also will be speaking in this way, and you will be thinking a lot of things. If you like English language, then you feel English language. If you like, then you can feel it as well. But if you don't like, you cannot feel it. So in this video we are going to discuss about actually the people who think that uh, the people who are learning English language, they think that what kind of feeling they will be feeling. The people who are speaking English language, how they will be feeling while speaking English language, and the people who are learning English language, how to speak actually, how they feel after listening those people who are speaking English language. Are you getting the point? So in this video we are going to discuss about these type of things, because there are a lot of people who think that the sound is quite nice, when we listen English language, if someone is speaking, it looks like very great person. If a person speaks English language, they think that he is a very knowledgeable person, isn't it? And they think that what a great words in English language, what a great conversation in English language. They think a lot of things. So if I talk about how it feels, so my friend, the people who are speaking English language like me, and there are many people who are speaking English language. Some of the people are intermediate, some of the people are beginner, yes, still beginners. Some of the people are advanced speakers, and some of the people are just like native speakers. So how they feel, what they feel after speaking English language, while speaking English language. So for your kind information, I would like to tell you that they don't feel so much good while speaking. Like they, most of the people I'm talking about, not everyone, most of the people think that whatever I know in English language, it is nothing. I mean, they don't consider themselves like, yeah, I'm a very very fluent speaker, I'm a very knowledgeable person. No, no one thinks. I mean, most of the people don't think like this. Like for example, if I talk about myself, if you are a beginner and you will be thinking that one day I also will be speaking English language in that way. So if I talk about myself, so whatever I'm speaking, I'm thinking that to make me better than who I am today. The way I'm speaking, I'm not considering myself as a fluent speaker, and I am not a fluent speaker as well. But there are most of the people, there are so many people who will be thinking like, who must be thinking like, anyhow I also would speak like that person. Like I'm speaking, so most of the people will be wishing like, uh, you know anyhow I also want to speak just like that person. So my friend, when you will start speaking English language, then you will not consider yourself that, yeah, I am a fluent speaker. Then you will have another goal. You will have set another goal. Like now, whatever I'm speaking, I'm not fluent. I don't have so much knowledge about English language. Now let's move on another thing, and let's move on the native speakers, how they speak, and advanced vocabularies. You will not be considering yourself as a fluent speaker. until you become just like a native, you know. The point is that whatever we feel, like we when we think that another person, if someone is speaking English language, another person is speaking English language, we think what a great sound of English language, how knowledgeable he is speaking English language. For us, for the people who are not speaking English language, for those people it looks very very different. Like for example, I am just speaking, so I'm not thinking that I am very knowledgeable and confident and fluent speaker. I'm not considering myself, I'm not thinking about it. But the people who are listening to me, who are watching videos, who are watching these type of videos, most of the people who are beginners, who are not able to speak, they will be thinking like what a great speech, how it feels, what a great feeling when a person listens English language. But when a person speaks English language, then he doesn't consider himself or herself that I am a very fluent speaker, I am a very great professional speaker. No, most of the people don't consider themselves like, yeah, I am a fluent speaker, you know. But this feeling, like one day I also will speak English language just like that person, so it propels us, it propels us towards that reality, like one day I will also speak like that person. And in this way we continue our journey of learning, and we continue our journey of speaking English language. And it's a good thing, like before speaking we feel, we imagine in our mind a lot of things. What a great day will come when I will be speaking English language just like that person, or just like that person, you know. Because when we feel it, then we try to work upon it, we try to work, we try to learn it, a lot of things, you know. When I used to be a beginner, I didn't have knowledge about how to speak English language. So I used to just repeat, you know, vocabularies, long vocabularies in a fast way, only English language, not a Hindi meaning, so that I could feel like I'm speaking only English language. Are you getting the point? What I'm trying to say? I used to speak only English words, and not used to use Hindi meaning. You know, I used to speak only English words. A lot of words I used to speak only English words and did not used to use Hindi meaning. So in this way, people think, the people who are listening, they think something different, but the people who are speaking, they think something different. The people who are speaking English language, they all have another dream, they all have another goal, they are thinking to achieve that goal. Because now whatever they are speaking and how they are speaking, they are not considering themselves like, yeah, I am a fluent speaker and I am a very great speaker, you know. They try to become better than who they are today. Okay, it is the reality. So in this way, people will work hard for speaking English language, for achieving fluency, isn't it? So so this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.